Type 1889 lifting system. In fact, the load is moved using only manual power. A mounting winch facilitates the attachment of the supports to the container. Each of the 4 supports is now prepared to be attached. The strut is secured with straps again. To attach the lifting system, you should use 2 to 3 operators depending on loading regulation. A mounting winch is recommended for weights over 5,000 kilograms. Release the strap prior to unfolding the strut. A simple lock into the lower ISO corner completes the attachment. Each of the 4 supports is individually extendable. A power drive module is optionally available. Temporarily remove equipment that interferes with the attachment of the system. 2 of the supports are connected with a telescopic shaft. The container is currently locked to the truck. It is now unlocked by releasing the twist locks. Large square plates rest securely even on rough terrain. The container is lifted simultaneously on both sides until it is clear of the vehicle. The supervisor leads the driver clear from the container. By means of the lifting system Type 1889, the container may be lowered to the ground. The device can be operated from either the right or left side. Reloading of a container onto a truck is done following the same steps in the reverse order. Lifting systems for manual operation are available for capacity